Hello, my name is Lieutenant Phillipa, the Operations Officer in HMAS Ballarat. In this DVD program, we will learn about a new breed of covers that will be fitted to weapons and upper deck equipment in ANZAC class frigates. The ANZAC class are some of Australia's most advanced ships, and they deserve high-tech systems for resisting corrosion. This device is called an Envelop protective cover. All 8 ANZAC frigates in the Royal Australian Navy will be fitted with these special covers. There are over 60 different covers for 26 pieces of upper deck gear and weapons on the ANZACs. This new cover has been designed to provide greater corrosion protection than previous covers and will drastically reduce corrosion-caused maintenance on your ship. Envelop covers were originally designed and tested by the United States Navy. Throughout this DVD, you will see references to US Navy ships and procedures. This information also applies to the Royal Australian Navy. You may also notice that the covers shown in this program differ slightly in colour. Covers that are delivered to your ship will be manufactured in the correct shipside grey. I'll be back in a few moments to give you some tips on installing and maintaining your new covers. But right now, let's have a look at the technology behind the Envelop protective covers.
Protecting critical assets from rust and corrosion is not a new problem. For centuries, we have relied on simple coverings to protect our tools, machines, and weapons from the elements. Rain, snow, salt, moisture, and sand. But unfortunately, traditional tarps and other coverings can actually cause corrosion because they can trap condensation. Moisture may still penetrate under or around a waterproof covering, becoming trapped. When moisture condenses and evaporates repeatedly in the airspace around the protected object, the corrosion cycle is accelerated. This form of corrosion is even worse in saltwater environments, or areas that are damp, subject to a lot of rainfall, or in areas of temperature variation.
Recently, the U.S. Navy issued an SBIR request to develop a corrosion-inhibiting cover to protect topside weapons and equipment. A team of scientists from CRIARI developed a patented breakthrough technology that we call Envelop protective covers.
Envelop cover's patented design incorporates 4 layers that work synergistically to stop corrosion. The bottom wicking layer sits adjacent to the metal object being protected. This layer is liquid permeable and draws water away from the object's surface. The middle layer is a superabsorbent material that stores the moisture being wicked from below. The top layer is a tough, flexible, waterproof fabric. It is impermeable to water from the outside, but allows evaporation from the inside. Water vapor gets out, but water drops can't get in. The Envelop cover not only removes water from inside the fabric, but also lowers the humidity under the cover, which helps prevent condensation, one of the main problems associated with traditional covers. Added to this sandwich of materials is a vapor corrosion inhibitor, or VCI, which is incorporated into the moisture-absorbing middle layer. A VCI is a self-replenishing compound which emits ions that condense on metallic surfaces to form a molecular shield. This shield blocks contact between the oxygen molecule and the metal surface, thereby inhibiting rust.
The addition of a corrosion inhibitor enables the cover to provide protection irrespective of the humidity and salt conditions around the object. A metal object protected with Envelop absorbs any water in or around the object through the bottom layer, creating a lower moisture environment that inhibits the corrosion process. The moisture stored in the middle layer is held until it can evaporate through the top layer into the ambient environment. In U.S. Navy tests in the lab and on long-duration sea trial conditions, Envelop covers were found to effectively reduce corrosion by 90%. For normal